Welcome back student. Today we are going to study some problems of physics. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. If the resistance of wire A is 4 times the resistance of wire B, find ratio of their cross section area. Given resistance of wire A is equal to 4 times resistance of wire B. We have to find the ratio of cross sectional areas. Therefore, A area of cross sectional area of wire A upon area of cross section of wire B. We have to find area, that is cross sectional area of wire A, cross sectional area of wire B. Their ratio we have to find. We know that resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross sectional of a wire. So R will remove the proportionality sign, will put is equal to, will put constant, that constant is resistivity of a material into L upon A. This formula we have studied. From this we can write R A is equal to constant resistivity of a material into length upon area of cross section of wire A. This is the resistance of wire A. The other formula for wire B will be resistance of wire B is equal to constant, that is resistivity of a material into length upon area of cross section of wire B, and we can write here A, B. This is area of cross section of wire B. Area of cross section of wire A. Resistivity constant. Resistance of wire A, resistance of wire B. This is the resistance of wire B. We have to find the ratio of area of cross section of wire A and area of cross section of wire B. We have to find out. Therefore, let the length and resistivity of material of both the wire A and B be the same. What is given to us? Resistance of wire A is equal to 4 times resistance of wire B. Now we will put the formula. RA, resistance of wire A is equal to constant into length upon area of cross section of wire A is equal to 4. Resistance of wire B is equal to 4 into resistivity of a material into length upon area of cross section of wire B, means A, B. Now here the length and resistivity of the material is the same, we have assumed. So what we can do? We'll cut the constant, we'll cut the length. Now we got 1 upon area of cross section of wire A is equal to 4 times one upon area of cross section B. We'll take this AB to the other side of the equation. We can write area of cross section of wire B upon area of cross section of wire A is equal to 4. Now, in the denominator we can write 1. We have to find the ratio of cross section of wire A upon area of cross section of wire B. So this we can write, we can change area of cross section of wire A upon area of cross section of wire B. We have changed, so we will change it into 1/4. We will see the next problem. Let's consider the next problem. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. Calculate the length of the wire of radius given small r, that is radius, is equal to 0.5 millimeter. The radius is given in mm. Resistance R is equal to 40 ohms. The resistivity of the material of the wire is given is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Calculate the length of the wire. L we have to find out. Again, my dear student, we know that R is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to the cross section area of a wire. R is equal to constant L upon A. AR is equal to constant into L. We have to find L. AR divided by constant is equal to L. L is equal to AR divided by resistivity constant, that is resistivity of the material of the wire. But area we know, pi r square. So L is equal to, in place of A we will write pi r square into resistance of a wire divided by resistivity of a material. R is introduced in formula. R is given. What is R? It is 0.5 mm. So it is given in millimeter, and the other value is given in what? Ohm meter. So millimeter we have to convert into meter. We know meter, millimeter. 1 meter, 1000 millimeter. 0.5 millimeter, x meter. Cross multiplication we can take. 1000 x is equal to 0.5. X is equal to 0.5 upon 1000. X is equal to 0.5 upon 10 to the power 3. We can write x is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. We'll try to remove the decimal point. So x is equal to 0.5 into 10 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. Point will be removed. So x is equal to 5 upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. X is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This minus will go, this 1 which is plus will go up and become minus. X is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. But what is x? X is what? Radius. So r is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. We have found out the value of r into meter, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Our formula is L is equal to pi r square into capital R upon resistivity of the material. We put the value. L is equal to pi value is 3.14 into R square 5 into 10 to the minus 4 square R into 40 divided by resistivity of a material, and it is given 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. L is equal to 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 40 divided by 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. L is equal to 3.14. 5 5 are 25 into 25 into 10 minus 4 plus minus 4. Same base, power we have to add. Into, will convert this 4 into 10, 40. 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. 3.14 get cancelled, 3.14 get cancelled. L 25 into 4 into 10 minus 4 plus minus 4 into 10 divided by 10 to the power minus 7. My dear student, we have just arranged the number. 25 into 4, L is equal to 100 into 10 minus 4 minus plus sign will be minus. 4 plus 4 8 into 10 divided by 10 to the power 7. L is equal to 100 into 10 minus 8, here it will come 1 plus 1 upon 10 to the power minus 7. L is equal to 100 into 10 plus minus 8 minus 1 7. Sign of a greater number 10 to the power minus 7 upon 10 to the power minus 7. L is equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 7, and this minus 7 will go up, so it will become plus 7. L is equal to 100 into 10 plus 7 minus 7 0, 10 to the power 0. L is equal to 100, 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So length is equal to 100 meter. Therefore, answer: the length of the wire is 100 meter. My dear student, we solve the same problem by another method. Here, calculate the length of the wire. Length we have to calculate. If the radius r is equal to 0.5 millimeter is given, but we have to convert it into meter. So this will become 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. My dear student, if your math is good and if you are strong in the basic concept of math and the formulas are learned, you can directly write millimeter into meter. So the radius is given to us 0.5 millimeter. This is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So millimeter we have converted into meter. The resistance capital R is equal to 40 ohms, and the resistivity of a material also given. So resistivity of a material is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohms meter. Now, my dear student, we know the formula. resistance of wire is directly proportional to length of wire and inversely proportional to the cross section area of the wire. So we can write R is equal to a constant, that is resistivity of a material, into length upon area of cross section. AR is equal to resistivity of a material into length. We have to find the length. AR is equal to, we'll take the constant to the other side of the equation, is equal to L. L is equal to AR divided by resistivity of a material. Area of cross section is equal to pi r square. So we can introduce this into the formula. Length is equal to pi r square into resistance of a wire upon resistivity of a material. Now we'll put the values. L is equal to the value of pi, 3.14, into R, which is in meter we will consider, not millimeter. 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square into 40 upon resistivity of a wire, 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. What we will do? 3.14 will cancel. L is equal to 5 square into 10, 4 2 is 8, minus 8 into 4 into 10, this is 40. We have written 40 as 4 into 10, and denominator we have 10 to the power minus 7. L is equal to 5 5 is 25. 25 into 4 into 10 minus 8 into 10 to the power 1 upon 10 to the power minus 7. Length is equal to 25 into 4, 100, into base is same. You write 10 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 will go up and become plus 7. Minus 8 plus 1 plus 7. Plus minus sign of a greater number, minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 plus minus, so it will be 0. So L is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 0. L is equal to 100, 10 to the power 0 means 1 into 1. L is equal to 100 meter. Therefore, the length of a wire needed is 100 meter. That's all, students. We'll stop here.